So how can you make money through investing in real estate? This is definitely one of my favorite topics to talk about. So over the years, people have gotten their start in real estate investing in various ways. Some people have rented out part of their homes, lived with their families a little longer, and worked extra hours to save up enough to start investing. However you make it work, know that the initial effort is definitely worth it. So there are 1,000 different ways you can save money. You just need to get your start. So once you decide to invest, there's three main ways to make your investment. Number one, buy and hold, right? This is the most traditional method. Over time, appreciation will mean that your property goes up in value. So you can save up this equity. All you have to do is wait for it to grow. Number two, flipping. This method requires more work, but you can buy a fixer-upper property that has high return potential, then take the time to fix it up. Once it's in better condition, then you can sell it for much more than what you bought it for. You just have to know how to do the renovations to ensure the profit. And number three, short and long-term rentals. You can buy a property and have a tenant in it for a year or more, or focus on short-term rentals on sites like Airbnb or Vrbo. These are mainly for vacation rentals, and they're best in tourist destinations. You'll just need to know the laws area to put in the work to be the landlord. So as always, I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you've invested in real estate or you plan on doing so.